Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects almost all of us. Credit. We're constantly told that building good credit is the key to financial freedom. You can get that car, that house, that dream vacation. And while that's true to an extent, there's a darker side to the world of credit that ISNT talked about nearly enough. It's a system that can easily trap you, keeping you in a cycle of debt that feels impossible to escape. So let's pull back the curtain and look at what's really going on. First, let's talk about the illusion of wealth. Credit cards make it incredibly easy to spend money you don't have. You see something you want, you swipe the card, and it's yours. It feels like free money. The problem is, it's not. Every swipe is a loan, and it's a loan with a very high interest rate. That $50 dinner can quickly become a $75 dinner if you only make minimum payments. Companies are experts at marketing this lifestyle. They sell you the idea that you deserve it now, and you can just pay for it later. This creates a dangerous habit of instant gratification, disconnecting us from the actual cost of our purchases. Before you know it, you're living a lifestyle you can't afford, financed by debt. This leads us to the debt trap. Once you're in credit card debt, it's incredibly difficult to get out. The average interest rate on a credit card is over 20%. That's huge. If you have a $10,000 balance and you're only making the minimum payments, it could take you decades to pay it off, and you'll end up paying thousands more in interest than you originally borrowed. It's a system designed to keep you paying. The banks and credit card companies profit from your interest payments. Their goal isn't for you to pay off your debt quickly. Their business model relies on you staying in debt for as long as possible. It's a vicious cycle where the more you owe, the more you pay in interest, and the harder it is to reduce the principal. And it doesn't stop with just cards. Think about credit scores. This three-digit number has a massive influence over our lives. It determines if you can get a loan for a car, a mortgage for a house, or even if you can rent an apartment. It can even affect your chances of getting a job in some industries. We're told to constantly monitor it, to open new lines of credit, to improve our credit mix, and to use our cards regularly. This pressure turns our financial lives into a game where the rules are set by the lenders. You're encouraged to take on more debt just to prove you're responsible with it. It's a strange paradox, isn't it? To be seen as financially trustworthy, you have to constantly be in debt. This system disproportionately affects those with lower incomes. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, a single emergency, a car repair, a medical bill can force you to rely on credit cards. But because you might have a lower credit score, you're offered cards with even higher interest rates and worse terms, making it even harder to get back on your feet. It's a poverty trap disguised as a financial tool. The very people who need a helping hand are the ones who get hit the hardest by predatory interest rates and fees. So, what can we do? The first step is awareness. Understand that credit is a tool, not a lifestyle. It can be useful for large, planned purchases, but it's dangerous for everyday spending. The goal should be to use credit to your advantage, not to let it use you. Create a budget and stick to it. Track your spending. If you are in debt, make a plan to pay it off. Focus on the highest interest debt first. And if you're struggling, don't be afraid to seek help. There are non-profit credit counseling agencies that can help you create a debt management plan. Remember, financial freedom isn't about having access to unlimited credit. It's about not needing it. It's about owning your life, not owing for it. Thanks so much for watching. I know this was a heavy topic, but it's an important one. If this video helped you see things in a new light, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Let me know your thoughts on credit in the comments below. See you in the next one.